A test.
At least some things haven't changed.
I just overheard. It's a false alarm.
A false alarm? Someone's still the only person who hasn't been through a fire. What rotten luck.
Buster, that's good luck.
Not for the person who pulled the fire alarm.
Somebody pulled the fire alarm?
Who would do such a thing like that?
Did you see those mighty mountain weeps run? Ha 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 ha! What a bunch of scaredy cats! But I was really impressed with the firefighters. By my calculations, it only took them 3.5 minutes to get here. It's always good to know they're fast. What, you don't think I...
Ahem. Is this your backpack? It was found underneath the fire alarm pole station.
What I did was dumb and dangerous. And it was also disrespectful towards the mighty mountain kids who have been nice to me. I'm very sorry, and I'll never pull the fire alarm when there isn't a fire again. The end.
I'm glad you understand the seriousness of this offense, Binky, but I have to admit, I'm still baffled. Why did you do it?
I don't know.
Maybe you should talk to the school counselor about this.
But I said I was sorry. Can't you just fucking punish me now?
Normally, you'd be suspended for something like this. But because of the circumstances, I have something else in mind. You will be performing 4 hours of community service every day starting today through the end of next week.
And we have punishments for you when we get home.
Binky, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it, you are grounded for 800 years.
This means not only you have to do community service, this also means no TV, no movies, no video games, no Sugar Bowl, no Chuck E. Cheese's, no Dave and Buster's, and furthermore, you'll be wearing nappies for the rest of your natural-born life, and we will burn all of your underwear. Now go do your community service, and after that, go immediately to bed.